So, naguguluhan ako, I don't know. Pero eventually, now I know. And I'm pretty sure it is. It's love.
It's love. May tatanong, bading ka daw ba?
Hindi. Wala ko adong sa tuloy.
May nagtanong lang. Ano nasagot ko sa nagtanong?
Sabihin mo, wala kang adang sapol. Baka siya meron tahiram.
Hindi ganito. Rachel.
Po.
If you are just physically attracted with your cousin, you better stop what you're doing right now. Alright?
It's more deeper than that.
No, I'm trying to tell you something. If you are just physically attracted, diba? If you're just excited by the idea that you might try to get to know someone, diba? Na alam mong connected sa'yo, but all your life, you never knew this person. Diba? And you have a chance to discover his personality. Diba? And in return, nagre-reciprocate siya. At nai-excite ka lang sa idea na yon, you better stop what you're doing right now. Because it's wrong. Alright? Maling-mali. Because we can never make this a story right. Kasi mali na nga. Alright?
Can I ask you something?
Sure.
What is your point of view dun sa mga taong, let's say, hindi nila alam that they are brothers, they are sisters. They just know after, kasi I actually know someone.
Teka lang. So, ibig sabihin, nagkainlaban until after a while, they found out magkapatid sila, ganon?
Oo.
Do you know someone na may ganyang kwento?
Oo.
Would you ask that person to call me?
Actually, sige, go ahead.
Would you ask that person to call me na lang? Kasi I don't want to answer hypothetically, written stories,
no,
right?
I'm just asking.
Let's try to focus on your story. Can we do that?
Sige, never mind.
Can we try to focus on your story?
Yeah, go ahead.
Di ba? Mas maganda, ganito, Rachel, I'm very much aware, I'm well aware na ano man mangyari ngayong gabi, whatever I'll tell you, you will not stop what you're doing. Am I right?
But I'll consider.
Thank you so much kung gagawin mo yan. Kasi alam mo, Rachel, sa buhay ng tao, ang pinakamahirap kalaban, hindi ibang tao. Sarili natin. Sarili natin ang pinakamahirap kalaban. At right now, sarili mo yung kakalabanin mo. Because you cannot just tell yourself to turn it off, di ba? Yung pagmamahal mo sa kanya. You cannot do that. I recognize the idea, di ba? Na you never unlearn things you've learned already. You getting my point?
Yes.
If you're gonna go for it, di ba? Kung feeling mo, there's something really special between the two of you, mga kaibigan, I do not suggest ganitong relasyon. I never promote this. But what can I do? I'm just trying to be practical here. I want to tell you stop, but I can only do so much. Di ba? So, ganito na lang sasabihin ko sa Rachel, I will not try to judge you kung anong ginagawa mo ngayon. Bahala ka na. Pero sana, pag dumating yung point na nagkaalaman na, dahil malamang isusumpa kayo ng mga pamilya ninyo, mandidiri sila sa inyo, lalaitin kayo, paghihiwalayin kayo, siguraduhin mo lang that you have enough to fight for what you believe is real. Siguraduhin mo lang that you have enough to fight for him. At siguraduhin mo din that this person, di ba, will fight alongside with you. Kasi if you are going to be with this person at ikaw lang makikipaglaban, di ba, malaki ipupusta mo, ate. It's going to be a lifetime impression sa'yo ng angkan mo. Panghabang buhay yan. If this thing, etong meron sa inyong dalawa, nabunyag, and it won't work out, hindi natuloy ito, forever na, yan ang impression sa'yo ng angkan mo. At same rule applies, alright? You never unlearn things you've learned already. pag nalagay sa utak ng mga kamag-anak mo na yung pinsan mo, binoyfriend mo, isa lang ang magiging word para sa'yo. Malandi ka. Kahit sabihin na natin hindi mo gustong sabihan ka ng ganun, they will tell you that. As for me, tinanong mo ako, I'll tell you go ahead. Sige lang. Ituloy mo. Just make sure you have enough for this. Because this is really, really tough. Ay, sino yun? Nag-English ako, tumagubay lang nun? Who is that? Arte. Sino yun? Hello?
Sorry.
Lakad kasi ng lakad, may napakan katuloy. Nadinig mo sinabi ko?
Opo.
Alright?
Opo.
O sige, salamat sa pagtawag ha.
Thank you.
Kung nakaantabay siya ngayon, anong gusto mong sabihin sa kanya? Anong tawagan nyo? Meron yan, sure ako.
No, we just call by name. Because we don't want people,
I don't know.
to know that we have something.
Okay. So ano ang first name niya? Tsaka apelyido?
Wag na. Alfred na lang.
Ano?
Alfred.
Galing kausap. Okay, Alfred. What do you wanna tell Alfred?
Alfred? If you're listening, actually, lahat ng sinabi ni Papa Jack is true. And I already told you that. You know that. It's hard. I mean, yung situation natin ngayon is very hard.
Hindi po hard, difficult po.
Gusto ko hard.
Yung hard po sa mga bagay lang po yan.
Hard? Kaya di ba ako kasi na difficult, hard and difficult, and it's really a struggle for us. Kaya, I already told you that we need to stop. Pero eventually, as time passes by, I'm really, really falling in love with you. And tama yung sinabi ni Papa Jack. Walang kahihinatnan. And people will curse us. I hope you help me find my way. You know how much I love you, but I just keep it in my memories. Photo album ba? I love you.
Yun na yun?
Oo. Papa John, can I say something to you?
Yeah, go ahead.
Actually, everything you said is right.
Thank you.
And I already thought about it. We actually talked about it. Ganyan yung mga pinag-usapan namin.
Yeah, pero kayong dalawa, hindi nyo pwedeng paiwan sarili nyo para kayong tanga pag ginawa nyo yun. Ganito